HIV infection makes the defense system of our bodies work harder. For today's video, we will be guiding you on your journey to healthy eating. What are we actually going to do to remain healthy? As mentioned earlier, our body would need more fuel in order to be strong enough to defend itself against the virus. We can do this by consuming foods that are high in calories and nutrients like avocados, peanuts, eggs, and the like. You may also incorporate honey or peanut butter in some of your favorite snacks to increase its calories. Generally speaking, there are three major sources where we can get these calories from: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Let's discuss them one by one. Carbohydrates are the most instant form of energy. This is because it takes the least amount of time to be converted into the fuel that keeps our body going. We can get these from rice, breads, and sugars. Apart from energy, it may also supply lots of nutrients that would keep our immune system strong. We can obtain these from colorful fruits and vegetables. Eat green ones like malunggay, ampalaya, and sitaw for vitamin C, A, E, and K, as well as manganese, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and lutein. Orange and deep yellow like mango, papaya, and kalabasa for beta-carotene, vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Purple like eggplant for anthocyanins. Red like tomatoes, guava, and red onions for lycopene, beta-carotene, vitamin C, and folate. And white, tan, and brown like banana, white onions, and mushrooms for magnesium, selenium, and allicin. Another source of energy is protein. Protein is needed to make, repair, and maintain the cells in our body, especially those that are involved in our immune system. Hence, as much as possible, we should consume at least 4 to 5 servings every day. So, where can we get these proteins, if you may ask? Animal and other milk products supply high-quality proteins, vitamins, and minerals like vitamin B complexes, vitamin D, calcium, iron, and zinc. Interestingly, insects like caterpillars and grasshoppers also provide good nutrients as long as they are prepared in a clean manner. Our legumes and staples like mungo, beans, peas, peanuts, and rice would also be cheaper alternatives for protein if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, or if you're just cutting on your expenses. Finally, we may also obtain energy from fats. However, we should be careful on choosing what types of fat we consume and how much. Generally, there are 4 types of fats in the foods that we eat, namely saturated fatty acids, monounsaturated fatty acids, polyunsaturated fatty acids, and cholesterol. Saturated fatty acids and cholesterol can be obtained from animal sources like butter, lard, and pork or chicken skins. We must limit our consumption of these types of fat as it may increase the fat content of our blood, causing various heart diseases. Mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids, on the other hand, are important modulators of immune function. These may be obtained from olives, avocados, bangus, and sardines. Although fats may be concentrated in calories, it does not impart as much nutrients. That is why it should be consumed with other foods rather than being a substitute. Apart from energy, the nutrient demands of our body also increases. Vitamin A is important to keep our skin, lungs, and digestive system healthy. Infections like HIV promote the loss of this vitamin in our body. Vitamin A deficiencies may increase the severity of diarrhea and even the transmission of the disease from mother to child. As mentioned earlier, good sources of this vitamin are dark green, yellow, orange, and red vegetables. We may also get it from egg yolks, liver, sweet potatoes, and corn. Vitamin C is important for better immune function and recovery. Good sources are citrus fruits like orange, lemons, and calamansi, though we may also get some from guavas, mangoes, tomatoes, and potatoes. Similarly, vitamin E is also a good antioxidant that protects our cells and help our body resist infection. These may be obtained from green leafy vegetables, peanuts, and egg yolks. Vitamin B complex is a group of vitamins that keeps the immune and nervous system to function properly. However, medications for tuberculosis may cause the loss of the nutrient in the body. Good sources of vitamin B complex are our animal meats, watermelon, corn, nuts, and green leafy vegetables. Iron deficiency anemia is one of the complications of HIV and AIDS, especially among women and children. Iron may be obtained by eating green leafy vegetables, red meats, eggs, liver, and whole grain products. Like vitamins C and E, selenium and zinc are also important minerals for the immune system. Foods like meats, fish, poultry, milk, shellfish, dried beans, and nuts are rich sources of these minerals. As you observe, there is no one food that contains all the nutrients and energy that our body needs. Hence, variety, balance, and moderation in our diet is important to remain healthy. Apart from food, consuming adequate amounts of water, avoiding alcohol, and practicing food safety should also be observed.